Welcome to Getting Started in Real Estate Investing. Rich people use debt to leverage investments and grow cash flow. Poor people use debt to buy things that make rich people richer, by Grant Cardone. Question is, which one are you? Cash flow is king, which equals freedom. Equity is queen, which equals wealth. Something to consider as you go through this course. My goals for you to achieve with this course is: number one, guilty by association. I will provide you with resources to help locate groups or meetings that you can attend to network fellow investors in your local area, possibly become their bird dog, and learn how to find deals. Work for them and earn as you learn. Number two is finding guidance, getting a mentor. A mentor will help you find mortgages and liens on a subject property at your local tax office or online. I also provide you with ways of locating owners, like their home address, their contact information, so you can call them, knock their door, or mail them. Point out limiting belief systems, like you need money to buy deals. You don't, you just need courage. Analyzing deals, your sales comps, square footage, beds and baths. All this comes into play when you're analyzing a piece of property. Paperwork, to protect yourself legally. Then there's number three, knowing your numbers, the 70% rule. The 70% rule comes into play. You can utilize that to get a deal with no money in. Also, knowing your overhead. For fix and flips or buy and hold, you need to know property taxes, insurance, mortgage, lights, and water. Number four is finding deals. Drive for dollars. Buying list. Tax assessor site, there's a way of locating deals on there. And there's Craigslist. Number five is marketing for deals. Craigslist, bandit signs, mailers. All three of these you will need a Google Voice number. Then there's networking events and door knocking. And number six is the daily grind. The gurus give you fluff. I'm going to give you the hard stuff, like cold call, door knocking, finding deals, working numbers, doing mailers, continue education, also taking care of your own financials, like your credit score and your credit, and stacking some cash. Well, that is all for now. Until next time, thank you.